welcome to Pay It Forward. Today we are here to launch July Masterclass, and Masterclass this month is Kanga and Roo. Kanga and Roo are part of the series, our 100 Acre Wood series. We now currently have Pooh Bear, Piglet, Eeyore and Tigger, and I thought we needed to have Kanga and Roo. They are actually my favourite two characters in this series, and I needed her to be absolutely perfect and very doable for you all. So I hope you're going to enjoy seeing her. Let's have a closer look. So here's my beautiful Kanga and Roo. Now I'm so happy that I have been talked into making this one. She is actually, this pair is my favourite in the series, always has been, and I have enjoyed bringing her to life for you all. It was very important to me that this one matched my others, that it had the same vibe and it was that same sort of antique kind of look, very, very storybook, so not overly detailed, and she just blends so well with the others. Now I've made her up in mohair. You don't have to make her up in mohair. I know a lot of you have put together the rest of this series using upholstery fabrics and fleece, and they have come up beautiful. So I had to work with a pattern and create something that would work for both. I've made her in mohair because the rest of mine are in mohair, so now they need to be a cohesive collection, and I just know you who have already, all of you have already made the others, you're just going to have to add this pair. Now I have made up little Roo. He's made up in a mini bear plush. He's best made up in a mini bear plush, a little cashmere plush, which is very easy to work with and it's very inexpensive, and certainly he's not big. You don't need much to put him together. Now I'm telling you that because I'm giving you little Roo. Right here on Pay It Forward, you all get to make little Roo, but if you want to make Kanga, of course you've got to join our Masterclass, and I certainly hope you do. So much to learn in Masterclass this month. While she looks very simple, those beautiful lines, have a look at the back of that tail. Beautiful back with that tail sloping down. She's just absolutely gorgeous. There are so many things to learn as far as piecing and pattern piecing this month in Masterclass. There's so much involved in a design like this, and I think this is going to really help you with your stuffing. You've got to learn to stuff when you're doing something that is really largely unjointed, because we don't have a jointed tail, we have jointed arms and neck. But as a blessing, we do have jointed ears. We all love jointed ears. A sculpted nose and some simple eyelids and that beautiful pouch. You can pop anything in that pouch. You could squeeze a little Roo down in that pouch, but I like him sitting up there in her arms, and he is just delightful. I've put him in a traditional little blue hand-knitted cropped cardie, and Kanga has always been completely natural. She doesn't wear anything at all in all of the illustrations, so I wanted to keep her that way, but you can certainly add a beautiful little antique, very worn sort of a bow around her neck might be nice. I'm keeping it true to the original designs. So I've absolutely loved making. I'm so excited to have all of them now. I don't think there's anyone left, but I'm sure you'll prompt me if you think of somebody else. Someone has suggested that we make rabbit, and we could do that for sure, but I'm happy with this group. I can't wait to see what you all do with your collections. Very excited. So now everybody, I'm excited to see all of your collections. I'm excited to see when you add your Kanga and Roo to your collections. Please post photographs of your whole crew together on our Facebook page, or send them to me on Instagram, but definitely post them on our Facebook page. We all want to see them, and it's very inspiring for everybody else. If you haven't joined our Facebook page, come along and do that. I'll put the links down below. You'll see what everybody is creating with my designs, and it's a very happy, safe place to be, our Facebook page. Everybody is very lovely, and thank you all for that, for keeping it a beautiful, positive space, because it's a very rare thing online. I think we have something special there. Thank you very much to Alison, who started the whole thing, and we appreciate you, Alison, so much. Everybody, check out, we've got the Masterclass link down there if you want to join. If you have decided, if you've been waiting and now you see the whole crew is there, come along and join Masterclass. That link is there also. So everybody, have a fantastic creative week. Please enjoy my Facebook, my Pay It Forward people. Please enjoy Little Roo. Make him up in any way you like. There might be some little girl, Little Roos. And similarly, please post those on our Facebook page. So have a fantastic week, everyone. Keep on paying all those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.